Hi friends, welcome to Decisa's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make pumpkin Puran Poli. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have ghee, half kg grated pumpkin, half teaspoon green cardamom powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 10 tablespoons of sugar. You can use more sugar if you want it more sweet. You can adjust it according to the sweetness you require. 400 grams all-purpose flour, Maida. Salt as per your taste, water as required and 1/4 teaspoon haldi, turmeric powder. Now in a pan, we'll add a pumpkin and sugar. Mix. We'll cook this on a medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes till it thickens up. Our pumpkin mixture is almost done. Now we'll add cardamom and nutmeg powder and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Now we'll cook this for another 5 minutes. Our pumpkin is cooked well and all our liquid is dried up. Now we'll allow the mixture to cool down. While our mixture cools down, let's knead the dough. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, salt as per your taste, haldi, mix well. Add water as required. The dough is ready. Our pumpkin mixture is cooled down. Now let's stuff the dough with the pumpkin mixture. Take a small amount of dough, flatten it, add the pumpkin mixture in the middle and then close it. Roll it tight. Dust some flour. Take the stuffed ball. And now we roll it out with the rolling pin. Flip it. Apply ghee. Again we flip it. Our pumpkin Puran Polis are ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.